Hi everybody, and welcome to 3D survey tutorials. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the selection tool found under CAD functions. This tool is used for selecting elements. To use it, we must first click CAD in the upper right selection menu. Then we click the selection tool icon, which is placed second on the right menu. Next, we click the left mouse button and make a rectangle by dragging the mouse. When it contains all the elements we want to select, we click the left mouse button again. We can use this tool in two different ways. The first way is if we click the left mouse button and start moving to the right with the cursor. In that case, you will see that the line of the rectangle will be solid, which means the rectangle must contain the whole element for it to be selected. The second option is if we click the left mouse button and start moving to the left with the cursor. In that case, the line of the rectangle will be a dotted line, which means that if we select any part of an element, the whole element will be selected. When we have selected our desired elements, we can edit them in a couple of ways, which can be found under Element Properties in the bottom right corner. There is some information that we can just see and some information that we can change. Under General, we can change the layer of the selected elements by double-clicking on it and changing it to desired one. We can also change the color and the line weight, which are commonly defined by layer. To change the color, we double-click on it and click Custom if we want a custom color. We choose our color and confirm our decision by clicking OK. We can also click by layer if we want our element to have the same color as all the elements in the layer. We can change the line weight by double-clicking on it, checking the box on the right and selecting the font. Otherwise, it will be automatically defined by layer. Under Attributes, we can see if the line is closed or not. Under Geometry, we can change some geometrical properties. And under Display, we choose which information we want to have written on the line, including 3D distance, 2D distance, slope and height. We can make them seen or hide them by double-clicking on the status and changing it. We can also change the font of the written information by double-clicking on it and putting in the font. This is all for this tutorial. Thank you and see you next time.